Hello! When you're starting your business, there are a few important tips that can help you avoid burnout and ensure your business continues to thrive. The following tips are based on the principles expressed by Robert Kiyosaki. 1. Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your business. Set specific and measurable goals to help you navigate and avoid wasting time and energy. 2. Develop your skills. Invest in yourself and your education. Improving your skills and knowledge will enable you to succeed in your business. Learn the industry, develop and become an expert. 3. Build a team of professionals. You should have people around you who share your vision and goals. Find people who have complementary skills and abilities and delegate tasks so you can focus on strategic business development. 4. Stay flexible and adapt. In business, you have to deal with change and surprise. Be prepared to adapt to new conditions. Rethink your strategy and make quick decisions. 5. Manage your time. Time is a limited resource. Set your priorities, avoid overtime, and learn how to manage your time effectively. Focus on the tasks that bring the most value to your business. 6. Look after your health and balance. It's important to keep your physical and emotional well-being in mind. Lead an active lifestyle. Play sports, watch your diet, and take time for rest and entertainment. Rest regularly to avoid overload and loss of efficiency. 7. Don't be afraid to fail. Business is a process of trial and error. Don't let failure stop you. Learn to learn from your failures and use them as valuable experience for further development. It is important to remember that burnout can occur if you work too much and lose work-life balance. Be mindful of how you feel, take time to recover, and take care of yourself.